This is the spot that I've been really wanting to record the Sakura from for a while. It's a campground here in Shizuoka with a mountain behind it, and I drive by this all the time on this road, past this rice field and waiting, and I look at this tree and this mountain range, and I can see it. I can see it from the other perspective. I can see it from the car, but I can't, well, I've never had the time to pull over and get it. And I just got it and I feel like trembly. Oh my goodness. It's really nerve-wracking. I mean, the little bird that floats up there, it's expensive and I'm always afraid I'm gonna lose it. And right now I'm by a river that's not raging, but it's going, it's, you know, it's healthy. By this field with these cherry blossoms that are just getting ready to I think they're like they're near peak, a lot of them. And I don't know, I sometimes get a little spooked out. We all get a little spooked out sometimes. So let's fly up, let's take a look at this thing. Here comes the part when I cut to the footage of the drone floating overhead. And that's something else? Okay, I'll see you up there. So that's the mountain we just flew over, and when I'm recording these little videos, you know, I'm trying to remind myself of the things that I've gotten used to here that are like just extraordinary. And I pulled over to show one, and then there's two more I'm going to show you really quickly. This is the one I just saw, which is just an old corrugated steel place that's storing these little mini tractors that are super adorable. Second one, that I just showed you a moment ago. This is the field we just flew over. It's sort of the view I usually see that I was really curious about. Next, reflection of the sky in the mud. It's just so beautiful. And last, but definitely not least, the reason I really pulled over was along the road in Japan, you know, there's no scale, but there's a lot of drainage ditches and really narrow roads. This is my minivan, and this is the drainage ditch. I mean, if you fall off this, it's like maybe almost a meter. Almost a meter. It's like you and your minivan are going to be in a sad state of affairs. So it's like, I always wear my seatbelt because I'm like, you know what? Even if I don't get in a crash, maybe the car is just going to fall over on the side. Fall the side of the road into one of these things. And I'll have to do a lot of sinning to get out of that thing. Anyway, that's all I've got to say for now. Besides this, like, Andrew Wyeth does Japan barn. Okay, it's time for me to get back in the Falcon. Gingerly. Jeez Louise. I mean, here, maybe this can explain it. There. That's the margin of error. What do they do at MTV Cribs at the end? They used to always tell people like to smash the camera or something. With one of those. I should maybe drive the car into this ditch. Okay, until next time, I'll see you here. Bye.